តាមករៀនអង់គ្លេស vocabulary building 10 ឃ្លាដែលគ្រូអាចប្រើដើម្បីលើកទឹកចិត្តដល់សិស្ស
Part 2. I believe in you. I believe in you. I believe in you.
មានន័យថាខ្ញុំជឿលើអ្នក
You are smart. You are smart. You are smart.
មានន័យថាអ្នកឆ្លាត
You are talented. You are talented. You are talented.
មានន័យថាអ្នកមានទេពកោសល្យ
You are creative. You are creative. You are creative.
មានន័យថាអ្នកមានភាពច្នៃប្រឌិត
You are doing great. You are doing great. You are doing great.
មានន័យថាអ្នកកំពុងធ្វើបានល្អណាស់
Good effort. Good effort. Good effort.
មានន័យថាការខិតខំល្អ
Nice effort. Nice effort. Nice effort.
មានន័យថាខិតខំល្អ
Excellent effort. Excellent effort. Excellent effort.
មានន័យថាខិតខំល្អណាស់
I like your answer. I like your answer. I like your answer.
មានន័យថាខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តចម្លើយរបស់អ្នក
That's a smart idea. That's a smart idea. That's a smart idea.
មានន័យថានោះជាគំនិតឆ្លាតវៃ
Thanks for watching. Please help support the channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing this content.